How to send video as document in WhatsApp. Let's jump right into the steps. Very first step is to open WhatsApp on your phone. Go to the person's chat to whom you want to send video as a document. Then tap on the plus sign that is on the bottom left corner. Here you can go ahead and tag on document. Now you can choose any of the picture or document or even video and then tap on send. So to send a video as a document, you have to find a video first. Then just go ahead and tap on it. Now after it is loaded, it may take some time and then you want to tap on send button that is on the bottom right corner. As you do that, a video will be sent to the person as a document file. And that is how you will be able to send a video as document in WhatsApp. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.